Welcome to Day 9 Gratitude Challenge. Today's topic is Money Magnet. We have already done one session on money. How many of you changed your money reality? Quite a few of them. So today we'll discuss more on this. So you have to give up your mediocrity to have wealth. How many of you think you are born just to pay the bills and then die? Are you living that kind of life? Waiting for the bills to come and then immediately pay? That's not respecting money. You have to respect money having with you. You can pay the bills whenever the deadline comes, but need not pay beforehand. That's the value you are giving to money that you are having. Use your money to actualize a different future. The good that you can do in the world, having the money you can share, is a gift to you, which only few of you have. What if the purpose of money is to change the realities of people? What if the purpose of money is to create a different and greater future for yourself and for all of us on this planet? So having more money gives more choices than having no money, which gives very less choices. So having all the money that you always desire to have, you can do n lot of things. Maybe you can take a time and list out all the things that you always ever wanted to do. May it be the plantation, may it be gardening, or charity to some people, or giving education to underprivileged. So many things you can do. Or you can give support to the technology improvement, or you can sponsor your own ideas, sponsor others' ideas, right? So likewise, having money will give lot of choices than having no money. If you are not having money, you won't even think of creating anything new. So never think that my parents had this kind of money reality and I should maintain similar status quo. It's not like that. You always have a choice to create a greater future for yourself and for all others whoever comes to contact with you. So your money increases by helping others to create money for themselves. That's the fundamental money law that everybody should be aware of. So if you are in the vibration of having lot of money, like having every desire of yours fulfilled with the good intents you are having, then it will be a beautiful phenomenal life, isn't it? So be in that vibration of having everything got fulfilled. Even though you are not having currently, you can visualize or you can imagine or virtually feel the reality that you always wanted to have. You always wanted to step into. You always want to live by. Be in that vibration and universe will show you the way. Universe has a different way of showing up money for you. So how many of you are happy listening to this? Yes, universe has many ways. You need to just trust and let go. You need not know how the money comes to you. The ideas will come, the choices you choose will create the money reality that you always wanted to have. So it's not about the money always, guys. It's how much are you willing to have? How much money are you willing to have? How much are you willing to receive? That's the main criteria. So based on this topic, I am conducting a workshop on Sunday 2 to 5. This is based on access conscious work. They deal with lot of stuff, not just the finances. They deal with the entities, they deal with the relationships. So much of good stuff is there in access too, apart from the law of attraction and heal your life. So I'll be doing a workshop on this, and the activity for the today is you need to take the bills that you have already paid and say thank you paid. When you write like this, you will feel more grateful because you had all that money to pay for the bills. In case something unpaid bill shows up which you are not able to pay, then write on it, thank you for the money. When you write thank you for the money and keep writing thank you paid on the already paid bills, the money will show up. Because that gratitude will attract the money for that unpaid bill you have. You can try it out at your home. More you feel grateful for, you will not think about money, okay, when will it come, from where it will come. You will be operating from the state of abundance. When you are operating from the state of abundance, you will be creating more resources, more ideas, you will be having more things you will be choosing. Likewise, you will be changing the energy that you are having around you and within you. Being that energy of the money, you will definitely manifest whatever you want in your life. So never have an intent that I can have enough money. You can always have more than enough money. You can always aspire for more. Take it for granted. With this, I all welcome to my workshop on Sunday, and hope everybody continues doing the same exercise, counting 10 blessings every day, and at the end of the day, show gratitude for the best thing that showed up in your life. If you like the video or the content of the video, please do share with others, and I'm happy to contribute to many of you. And I am also receiving a lot of contribution from all of you people, lot of compliments I am getting, so much of appreciation. Thank you and gratitude for all of you. Thank you.